this is a personal example, but I just went prom dress shopping with my 17-year-old the other day. And we do not have similar taste in anything, clothing specifically in this situation. And she tried two dresses on. One of them I loved, the other one, I didn't love as much, but I didn't want to tell her about the one that I loved because I knew that if I told her I loved it, she might want to do the opposite thing because I'm the uncool mom. And so she doesn't want to pick the one that I picked. So it's so complicated because I'm being very thoughtful in how I'm communicating. And yet, to her, I wasn't being effusive enough with my praise of how she looked in the dress, but I was doing it for what I thought was the right reason. And, so we can be really thoughtful, we can have the best of intentions, and still it's not received. That was ineffective communication because what I meant did not get received and processed the same way I meant for it to.